Understanding cold wind blowing, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, cold wind blowing. This phrase is not just about the weather. It's a vivid expression used in various contexts. Let's dive into its meanings and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First, let's understand the literal meaning of cold wind blowing. It describes a situation where a cold breeze is moving through an area. This is straightforward and relates to weather conditions. Imagine a chilly day where you can feel a cool breeze. That's a cold wind blowing. Now, let's explore the figurative uses of this phrase. In English, a cold wind blowing can symbolize a change or a feeling of discomfort. It's often used to describe a situation where something negative or challenging is about to happen or is happening. For example, if someone says, "There's a cold wind blowing in the company," it might mean that there are signs of upcoming difficulties, like layoffs or financial troubles. To better understand, let's see some examples in sentences. 1. With the new management, there's a cold wind blowing through our department. 2. I felt a cold wind blowing when they started talking about budget cuts. In these examples, the phrase is used to indicate a sense of foreboding or anticipation of something not so pleasant. The phrase is also commonly used in literature and media. Authors and songwriters often use it to set a mood or tone. It can indicate a turning point in a story or a shift in a character's situation. Pay attention to how it's used in songs, movies, and books to convey deeper meanings or emotions. Let's do a quick practice exercise. Try to use cold wind blowing in a sentence that reflects its figurative meaning. This will help you grasp how to use the phrase in daily conversation or writing. I hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, cold wind blowing, for you. Remember, English is full of such vivid expressions that add color to our conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use cold wind blowing in your chats or stories to make them more engaging. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.